Hey guys, it's Pili. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. What? And I have a sty, but that's not gonna stop me because this was my plan. I was like, I'm gonna film on Sunday. Saturday I got the sty, but here I am, you know? I don't recommend anyone that has a sty to do makeup or at least put eye makeup. Because obviously, like, if you put lipstick, your eye is not gonna, whatever. And this makeup tutorial is based off of Colombia because I am Colombian and they are currently playing in the Mundial. So, Colombia lost to England 2 days after I filmed this. But that's okay, you know, for the next one, guys. We played really good. My heart's out to you. We're gonna rock the house down next year. Next 4 years, next Mundial, whatever. We're gonna do great. You know, oh, I should wear their shirt. Okay, so now that I have the Colombian shirt on, it's time to get into the makeup tutorial. I'm gonna be blind because obviously, like, I don't want to wear contacts. So basically I'm just gonna take off my glasses, but I'm gonna have a mirror. I'm gonna have a mirror so I can like see stuff like up close and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna just like play around with it. I don't really know like what I'm doing, so that's always fun. Yup. First things first is eyebrows. I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills and I don't know how to do makeup. Brow is in ebony. What I'm going to do is you know what, if you want an eyebrow tutorial, like this video and I'll do it another day. I look up as if I can see. You can definitely also call this like a primary color makeup tutorial. Whatever. It's fine. It's the best that we're gonna do. I'm gonna get my Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer, and this is the color Light Neutral. And I'm gonna basically what is it called? What do they call it? Something my brows. They say that. I don't know what they say. My concealer and my foundation shades probably won't match right now because I did get a tan. Oh my god, that actually looks good. I did get a tan, and I don't get like scent PR package. I don't know who you think I am, and I don't want anyone coming for me being like, oh, you should have worn your contacts. And like, no, I wear daily contacts and those things are still expensive. Like, they're not like the monthly ones, but they're still expensive, and I don't want to waste any more money. I'm gonna prime my lids. I'm gonna use the Too Faced, what is it, Shadow Insurance 24-hour plus anti-crease eyeshadow primer, and I'm literally gonna put that all over my lid. And underneath, I'm gonna get this BH Cosmetics, Coastal Scents, they're the same, 88 original palette, because these are the ones where like you will find the obnoxious colors. I'm gonna get the red and I'm gonna pack that on the crease. You see that dark red next to the brown? That's the one that I'm using right now. Okay, so my phone died. Okay, my phone died, and so then I did this eye to like see if something was going somewhere. And honestly, it'd be a lot better if you do not have just like Coastal Scents. You actually had like a good palette. Also, the sun's going down, so I have to use this. Sorry, I'm so sorry. This video literally sucks. I did a full cut crease, not a half. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna get the Real Techniques brush. This is the detailer brush, and this is what I've been doing to cut out the crease. I use a Morphe brush, Morphe flat brush. It doesn't have a number because I got in a set, sorry, with a tacky yellow here. And it still doesn't come out as tacky as I low-key wanted it to be. I'm so sorry. Okay, so I got concealer all over. So what I'm gonna do is diffuse it with the color that I used for my crease. As as you can see, that is disgusting, but you know what? That's what we want, I think. So you get your flat brush, and I'm using the tacky yellow, and I packed it on. Like I have to pack it on in order for me to get color, because you know, pigmentation with light colors here. Who is she? Yeah, you don't wanna set the concealer, because then your eyeshadow is not gonna be as like pigmented as you want it to. See, that's a lot better than this eye. Like, why isn't it doing that? Here, let me do this for a second. This is what you want, kind of, just a lot better looking. And next step is eyeliner. I don't have good eyeliner, so I'm using so I'm using the Maybelline New York waterproof liquid eyeliner. The sun is going down so quickly and I need to hurry up. This eyeliner actually sucks. I don't recommend getting it because look at this. Like, are you freaking kidding me? Oh my god. Anyway. Okay, I'm gonna pretend like this eye doesn't exist because it's so bad. It's actually the worst eyeliner I've ever done, ever. Okay, that's the best it's gonna look, because like, literally I suck. So now that you have your eyeliner, what you want to do is mascara. So that's gonna be really easy for me because I am a mascara queen. Telescopic one by L'Oreal, and if you don't use this, please use this like right now. Like, get it right now, because this mascara is actually so good, so good. This is heaven in a bottle. Okay, so mascara is done. Look how great. So now we're gonna do face. Foundations that I'm gonna be using are the Tarte Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation in the shade okay, hello, in the shade, I don't know what the, I could have sworn they I'm so sorry, I can't. Oh, Fair Light Honey. It's there, just like not in print that you can see. Anyway, I'm gonna mix that with Dermacool 209 in shade 209. So like I said, foundation and concealer might not match because I got a tan, so you know, so sorry. I'm gonna mix these two together. If I look silly, can someone please like send me back to freaking, what's this, Broadway, to the Lion King? That's the first Broadway show I ever watched. Yeah, this is definitely not my shade. Pretend it is. I'm not gonna blend it to my neck because it's not my shade anyway, and I'm not going out, so, but obviously do that. So now I'm gonna use the Tarte Concealer again, if I could find it. Wow, I look like what's her name, Flashback Mary. Hi sisters. Conceal my under the I'm gonna conceal where I like highlight my face. I don't know why that was so complicated. Okay, this tutorial is like super full coverage, but you can use any coverage that you want. If you want to use sheer, then go ahead, do that. Go at your own pace, go at what you're comfortable with. Also, I think that this would also look like really cute with blue eyeliner if you have. I don't, because like I said, I don't get PR packaging. Like, I only get like black. Okay, so now I'm going to get my Fenty Beauty matchsticks in the color Amber. Blend that out. Okay, so this is what she looks like right now. To be honest, this is a look like you would never think that I'm repping Colombia right now. Okay, so I'm holding the mirror with my foot. I'm gonna bake. I'm gonna use an Airspun loose face powder. This is everywhere. I don't know if it fell, probably. Never do makeup on your bed unless you are me. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm so blind. I'm so blind. I'm gonna do it in my laugh lines, like where my wrinkles are always at, because, you know. So like I move like my forehead a lot because I'm a very expressive girl. Yeah, once I look like disgusting, now I'm gonna get the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I'm gonna get my contour brush, which I can't find. I found it. I'm pretty sure it's just, yes. It's also from Morphe. It came with the set, so I can't. I'm gonna use the color in the middle, but I'm gonna use the Neutrogena Shine Control powder for it, and I'm gonna get my big fluffy brush from Morphe, and I literally just wipe off the bake with that. And what I like is that this gives you like no flashback whatsoever. I think we'll test it out. I'm gonna get my Hoola bronzer. I'm gonna use the same contouring brush that I used, and I'm gonna just warm up my face a little bit. Okay, so now I'm gonna use the NARS Duo palette, blush duo, in the shade Orgasm and I don't know what. Oh, Hot Sand. This is my blush brush, and I get Orgasm, and I just smile. I smile, and I put it on the apple of my cheeks. Okay, so now we're gonna go back to the eyes for a second. I'm gonna use a blue. I'm gonna use this very, very bluey blue. I'm gonna just like pack that on, and I'm gonna go all under the lid. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with like the blue, like really low, and I want to put darker colors, so then it kind of like goes with the black on the top, and that's why I'm saying like it'll look good with a blue, like if you don't want to do that whole like ombre situation. And then since it's gonna go into yellow, I'm going to use lighter colors, and that'll eventually turn into like my highlight, and that'll be nice. Sorry, Sty, but I gotta do what I gotta do. So now that I have the blue on my under eye, oh, that doesn't even look that bad. Hello primary colors. Hello Colombia. Hello. Just gonna make kind of like the transitioning process into black a lot easier, at least I think. I don't know. I'm gonna put just a smidge of black. Okay, so now I'm gonna do this so you can see this is like what's happening right now. I'm gonna do my like eyeliner in the waterline. I'm using the Milani Stay Put waterproof eyeliner, and I'm gonna just put that in my what is this called? I would put fake lashes, but like no. So I have that there, and then I'm gonna put mascara on the bottom. Now my favorite part is highlighter. I'm using ColourPop Stole the Show Super Shock Cheek, whatever. It's a highlighter, and it's only like $8, I think. And let me just show you what this does. And then I'm gonna use Fenty's what is Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter Duo, and I have the Lightning Dust and Fire Crystal, which I think is the lightest one. It is broken, so I have to be very careful with it, so just give me like a sec. Okay, so now I use the rest of the highlighter for my inner corner. So I'm basically done, but I have one last thing, and it's lipstick. So I'm gonna use the Milani, I don't know what these are called, but they're basically very easy to find. It's the Milani, and it's called Red Label. So here we go. I'm very scared because I don't have lip liner. I'm telling you, red lipstick is the hardest thing to do ever. Going to add some final touches. Like I said, I'm gonna like, no, honestly, I'm done. I'm really done with this look. Like, so I'm gonna take pictures so you can see the final look, because obviously like I'm not like Manny MUA, I don't do like that. So but this is the look. If my lipstick does not look good, you know why? I don't have lip liner, so I look like Miranda Sink. But I did not think it was gonna come out this good, to be honest. Let me know if I look bad. Let me know if I look good. You don't have to tell me I look bad. I already know. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, dislike it. Like, I need to know like your honest opinion, like if you like this video or not, because you know that helps me know. Anyway, comment some ideas that you would want me to do, makeup tutorials, vlogs, whatever. DIYs. I do the whole shebang. Like, I have the whole package. My Instagram is right there. Subscribe. And yeah. Okay, bye.